In today's video, we will be discussing Williams syndrome.
Williams syndrome affects 1 in 10,000 people, which is about 20 to 30,000 people in the U.S. With more awareness, the number of diagnosed individuals rises, but it is still very rare. Common features of children with Williams syndrome include puffiness around the eyes, full lips, wide mouth, widely spaced teeth, small upturned nose, and broad forehead. Although not visible in the picture, children with Williams often develop the Williams gaze, an intense penetrating eye contact. Children with Williams syndrome often see all faces as friendly and have a hard time distinguishing which ones can be dangerous. They lack social fear, which means if someone were to be injured, as opposed to someone without Williams syndrome shying away, they would go over and help them.
Williams syndrome is caused by a deletion in chromosome 7. This deletion deletes 26 to 28 genes and is caused by random events that occur in formation of sperm and egg cells. Biological problems can arise from the deleted genes. However, the severity of symptoms can vary case by case. One of the deleted genes is elastin. This gene is involved in the cardiovascular system. Without this gene, heart defects arise and disorders of the circulatory system such as heart murmurs and high blood pressure occur. Another issue that can arise are learning disabilities. These include ADHD and hyperactivity. Another issue that can arise from the deleted genes are abnormalities in the kidneys due to elevated calcium levels in the blood. And yet another abnormality in Williams syndrome are very sensitive to unusual loud or high-pitched noises. There is no known cure for Williams syndrome. However, there are a variety of treatment options available for Williams syndrome. These can include surgery for the heart or medications for high blood pressure. Another treatment may include early interventions in schools for learning disabilities. Another treatment can include restriction of calcium intake for the kidneys.
Music therapy is something that, although not proven as a treatment for Williams syndrome, is thought to be helpful. Most individuals with Williams syndrome have an affinity to music. They are touched by music in ways not usually seen in the general population. It is quite common for those with Williams syndrome to be reduced to tears, disturbed by music in minor chords, or moved to dance and laugh by playful and happy music. The affinity for music in people with Williams syndrome, especially their sense of rhythm, ability to remember lyrics, and hearing sensitivity, can be used to help overcome weaknesses. Music therapy is often used in the educational setting to help with math skills and other concepts.
Marissa's story. Marissa was a girl that went to the same high school as me, and she had Williams syndrome. Marissa would have to be walked into the school and handed off to a teacher every day just to know that she wouldn't go with strangers. And the same thing happened at the end of the day. The teachers would walk Marissa outside the school bus where her parents would wait for her. Marissa wasn't allowed to ride the school bus because she would go home with anyone and everyone who rode that bus.